Hi everyone, we are all excited that the English Premier League season for 2020-2021 is starting from tomorrow. This video series is a weekly one which will have all the predictions of the match week games. So let's start for the first match week. The first game is a London derby being played between Fulham and Arsenal. Fulham are one of the promoted teams from the championship, and so there will be a buzz around the team. They are playing at home, however, because no fans are allowed into the grounds, it may not be the same for them. Fulham have been a decent team in the championship and they generally play good football with the option of using Mitrovic as a target man. However, Arsenal have done some good business over the summer and they have captured some of the important players like Cedric Soares, Pablo Mari, and Willian, who has moved from Chelsea to Arsenal. After winning the FA Cup final against Chelsea, they also won the Community Shield, which is a competitive game even if it is termed as a friendly. Arsenal seem to be sharp at the moment and they should be a more than handful for the newly promoted Cottagers. My prediction for the game is Fulham 0, Arsenal 2. The next game in the match week 1 is Crystal Palace versus Southampton. Southampton finished the season really strongly, and Danny Ings was a contender for the Golden Boot. Crystal Palace, on the other hand, had a dip towards the end of the last season, and they faced 7 straight defeats and then a draw in the final 8 games. This is a new season though, and I will predict that this game will end in a scoring draw. 1-1 is the prediction for this game. The third game is a champions versus champions game, with last year's league champions Liverpool hosting last year's championship winners Leeds United. Leeds, under their charismatic manager Bielsa, will be a team to watch out for this season. Liverpool have not strengthened their squad over the summer. However, they have been a brilliant team last season and they would like to continue where they left last season. Leeds have also signed Rodrigo and they also have Pablo Hernandez in midfield, who has played in the Premier League with Swansea a few years back. Leeds will be a good team and they won't be one of the teams facing relegation. However, Liverpool will be too strong for them. Prediction for game number 3 of match week 1 is Liverpool 2, Leeds United 1. The next game is between West Ham and Newcastle. Newcastle were nearly bought over by a Saudi consortium, and the fans would have been dreaming of signings that will change the entire landscape of their club. That did not happen though, and Newcastle are still left with their owner from last season. However, they still have managed to get some decent signings in, and they should be a decent mid-table team this season as well. The same goes for West Ham, who haven't really strengthened, and there was also a fan revolt due to the fact that they sold Diegbana, one of their defenders. This again should be a scoring game between the two teams, and my prediction for this game is 1-1 draw. The next game of this midweek is between West Brom and Leicester. West Brom are another promoted team from the championship, and though they are a decent team, Leicester will be too strong for them. Leicester have lost Ben Chilwell to Chelsea, but they still have Jamie Vardy and he is always a threat going forward. The prediction for this game is West Brom 0, Leicester 2. The next game is a potentially tasty affair between Tottenham and Everton, two teams managed by ex Chelsea managers and ex Chelsea managers who have won the Premier League with Chelsea. Tottenham have signed a few players this season, none less than Joe Hart from Burnley. They will do more business until the end of the summer, though. Everton have had some good signings over the summer, and James Rodriguez, signed from Real Madrid, will add a lot of stardust to their team. This game should be a real cracker, and my prediction for the game is a 2-2 draw. The seventh game of match week 1 is between Sheffield United and Wolves, two of the most improved teams and two of the teams that were in contention for European positions, even Champions League positions, until the latter half of last season. Wolves have again added another Portuguese talent to their squad, and Sheffield have done decent business over the summer as well. This again should be an entertaining affair, but I am predicting Wolves to nick this one. The prediction is Sheffield United 1, Wolves 2. The last game of match week 1 is between Brighton and Chelsea. Brighton have done well to sign the likes of Adam Lallana over the summer, but Chelsea have been the most brilliant club when it comes to the summer signings. Not all of their summer signings will feature in the weekend game though, as Ben Chilwell and Hakim Ziyech are out injured. They'll also be without their key midfield player Mateo Kovacic, who has been suspended due to the red card he earned in the FA Cup final. They'll still have Havertz and Werner starting the game, and they'll have far too much quality for Brighton. The prediction for this game: Brighton 1, Chelsea 3. You would have noticed that I've only predicted for 8 games, and that is because both Manchester clubs won't be playing over the weekend or on Monday for match week 1, as their games have been postponed. Keep watching out this series for more predictions every match week. Thank you. Bye bye.